I want to thank everybody for watching Crypto Revolution. We talk about everything crypto almost daily, jumping right into the market. What just happened? Came to you guys early. Everybody says Mt. Gox and the United States governments are making transactions, and the price just got rejected 9%. Actually bounced off this exact trend line. Isn't that crazy? Sometimes I see this price action, and I mean, like, what are the chances that, number one, you fall exactly on this trend line that was drawn to break out of previously, right? You bounce here, and then you come all the way up here, and then you get rejected exactly at this trend line that we were dealing with previously over here. Exactly rejected here. Didn't break back into it and flip it. Lost that level. Like, some of this stuff, you start, get Tradingview. There's, go in the description, get Tradingview. Like, you start drawing these lines and these patterns, and you start watching them follow your lines, and you realize you have superhuman powers. Seriously. I mean, this is unlimited wealth potential. If everybody in the world is in this rat race to make money, to find happiness, to collect items or objects, not really about the money, it's about the freedom. I'm telling you, money is overrated. Have the freedom and opportunity not to go to work every day. And you see the price action respecting all these ideas. In a second, it will make sense to learn more. March 14th, the United States government sold 9,800 Bitcoin, and we crashed roughly 9%. Now, April 26th, Mt. Gox and United States government wallets making transactions supposedly sold Bitcoin again. We crashed the same 9%. I mean, look at this giant wick. Huge. All over the place. I want to see a break and holds of 28.8 up here, above this level right here. Okay. Show me a break above there. If you do not put in a higher high up here, higher than this high, if you put in a lower high, you will come back down and put in a lower low, then lower high, then lower low, and you'll be forming a falling wedge. This is a downtrend. This is an uptrend. Like, this stuff, you guys, once you see it, like, I've got doctors, lawyers, some of the smartest people in the world in the group, but this is like a different language. I don't care where you're from, you have to learn the language that this market speaks. And once you do, you'll change your life forever. Like, what is the point of going to work every day when you can just chill at the house? I've got some amazing shout outs to give in my trading group. This person, he's closed 90% of his trade. He 4x'd his account. Hanging. He's up 637% on one trade. Again, some leverage. Most people don't trade with leverage. I don't trade with leverage. You don't need to. There's so much money in this market. This person, think about this. Chris, I love the group. I've already learned more than I've ever known before in 48 years on this planet. He learned more in the group than he has in his entire lifetime. And this is like the secret. Like, once you know the secret, you're above everybody else. They're stuck in the matrix. Bitcoin short, obviously Bitcoin downside, 134% banger. Shout out to this person, started with $1,000, now up to $14,385 on the gem pick bangers. Right now, for 1 week, we're lowering the prices, rock bottom fees to join the group. $200 off, lowest price ever, plus 60% off. Go over to my website, cryptorev.net. Join. Listen, if you have any questions, email me, cryptobitcoinchris@gmail.com. Nail the bangers every single day. We'll make sure you're in the best coins. We're going to keep you updated. Now, what happened to Bitcoin? Look at this drop. Epic drop. I've got some tweets that are going to explain it. Over here, senior software engineer. This is out of the United Kingdom. Visa crypto team. Visa has a crypto team. Okay. So that's news in itself, but they're building a next generation of products to facilitate commerce in everyone's digital and mobile lives. They are looking for Web3 and AI programming. If you haven't made money in this market yet, it is coming. Watch. The next year and a half overall, this thing is going to go parabolic after the Bitcoin halving, parabolic price action. Watch. This is Bitcoin CME Futures out of nowhere. I was outside fishing. You ready? I can't see. This one's going to be a mess, right? And this thing just got completely wrecked. And now it's bounced at this resistance level. This is a stock market. We told you that rising wedges, 68% chance of a break to the downside. And that was the measured move based on this idea, right? You come down here where it broke out and close to the measured move. Like this doesn't get, this is magical. I mean, just think about it. You want to trade stocks. Are you long? Are you short? You got a double top up here. You have an inverse head and shoulders and you would along this. Like this gives you the power to make unlimited money, period. EXY, this is a dollar index. So now the dollar been really moving sideways, hasn't made a decisive move, but this thing breaks higher, not good for crypto and stocks typically. So SHR, yesterday's video, I gave you SHR on Kucoin, right? I said gem pick banger right here. Parabolic gem pick banger. You probably can't read it because behind my head. It says altcoin is ready to moon. SHR is running out of room. It has no place to go. It put in a double bottom inside of a falling wedge after a rounded bottom. Rounded bottoms pay the bills. This is a cup and handle. This thing was going up only. So if you go over to the top gainers on Kucoin, SHR was up 34%. It was the #2 gainer on Kucoin. Change the game forever. Join the group, cryptorev.net. Making money the easy way. SHR. Look at this pattern, was crazy. Measured move. We nailed it. 29% profits. Banging. The group pays for itself. It's a no-brainer. Now, there's been an urgent update that government wallets are not selling Bitcoin. Mt. Gox Bitcoin have not moved. The rumors sparked all these liquidations, and you could only imagine how much people lost in this crazy. The thing about crypto is the news will work against you because you can pay a certain amount of money to these news outlets and you can get the stories printed you want printed. Right? You can manipulate this market. It's ridiculous. But now they're saying government wallets are not selling Bitcoin. Mt. Gox Bitcoin haven't been moved, but they will be. And the government still has a ton of Bitcoin to sell. Just hasn't happened yet. So basically, what came out was Mt. Gox and the Silk Road come out alerting everyone 62 minutes ago. Then 2 minutes later, jump clear the books, sending hundreds of Bitcoin to Binance. So they send all this Bitcoin to Binance. So everybody's thinking, okay, everybody's about to sell. They're selling. They're selling. You guys have got it. This is a bunch of garbage. You cannot pay attention to the news. Trade the charts and you will win. But it shows you exactly what happened and where it came from. Binance. All these Bitcoin moved hundreds and hundreds and hundreds, millions of dollars, right? There's $25 million right here traded, jump trading to Bitcoin. They just sent it over there to scare you. And then they shorted Bitcoin and they manipulated the market and they took a bunch of people's money and they made a killing. And it happens all the time. This is not regulated. This is the Wild West. Market to kind of settle down. We'll do another gem pick banger. I might make an extra video tonight, We'll have to see. But just know, gem season. We post gems in group all the time. Make sure you're a part of it. If you guys like the content that I provide on a daily basis, be sure to subscribe to the channel, like the video, leave a comment in the comment box. Thanks so much. I'll see you guys tomorrow.